President Donald Trump welcomes Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky for talks at the White House. The meeting comes a day after President Trump had a lengthy phone call with Russian President Vladimir Putin to discuss the ongoing war in Ukraine. Trump and Putin also plan to meet face-to-face in Hungary for more discussions. President Trump said today there's a very good chance the war can be brought to a conclusion. White House Correspondent Owen Jensen joins us. Owen.
Veronica, good evening to you. President Donald Trump also told reporters today there is tremendous bad blood between Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky and Russian President Vladimir Putin. That's holding up a settlement the president says he's trying to make happen.
President Donald Trump welcomes back to the White House Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky.
President Trump, sir, do you believe you can convince Vladimir Putin to end the war in Ukraine?
More than 3 years after Russia's full-scale invasion of its neighbor began, renewed hope it can finally end.
I think that President Putin wants to end the war, or I wouldn't be talking this way. I think he wants to end the war. I spoke to him yesterday for 2.5 hours. We went through a lot of details. He wants to get it ended. I think that President Zelensky wants to get it ended. Now we have to get it done.
My congratulations with your successful ceasefire in the Middle East.
Thank you.
Yeah, and you did it, and I think this is the momentum to finish Russia's war against Ukraine.
One hot topic right now, Tomahawk missiles, and whether Ukraine will get them.
You're talking about massive numbers of very powerful weapons. So that's one of the things we'll be talking about. Hopefully they won't need it. Hopefully we'll be able to get the war over with without thinking about Tomahawks.
President Trump also discussed Ukrainian drones.
We have a lot of drones right now. We build our own drones, but we also buy drones from others, and they make a very good drone. I mean, drone warfare has really come to the fore over the last couple of years because of this war.
In the meeting today, President Trump optimistic, believing in his words, the table is set properly here now.
It'll be a great honor to get it done, and the Ukrainian people are great, and the Russian people are great. And obviously they have much in common, as we understand. They have a lot in common. So it'll be a great honor to get it done.
Now, Zelensky also met today with U.S. defense companies to discuss missile production. He says the American Patriot systems have saved many Ukrainian lives. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.